A person holding NCC certificate cannot go to Guntur or Vizag. They have to come only to the Sanketika Vidya Bhavan. So this is the second one. You have to, these are the certificates you have to bring. Next, what is the next stage? In the certificates verification, when you come, verification officers will be sitting across. Apart from this, the district social welfare officers from SC, ST, BC, tribal, so all these persons also will be sitting. Candidates claiming SC, ST, BC, first they have to go to the concerned departmental officers, get their caste certificate verified and come back. Where you have to come back? To verify your SSC marks memo, intermediate marks memo, study certificate, etc. Our Department of Technical Education officers or university authorities will be sitting. They will verify your certificates. Once the verification is complete, they will issue a printout called receipt of certificates. That means, having taken original certificates from you, they will issue a receipt of certificates. Please check up the receipt of certificates and also whether they have appropriate, what all the certificates you have given, whether they are properly acknowledged or not. And also, during certificates verification, if gender is printed wrongly, if local area is printed wrongly, based on the certificate verification, by using the editable field, they will correct the entire information and the same will be fed to data. Here, your responsibility lies. Before you leave the certificate verification hall, you should check up whether your local area is printed properly or not. And mukhyanga gender. Very important thing is gender, whether male or female. Last time what has happened, one candidate, namely Shashi Kumar, his gender was printed wrongly female. Ultimately, he got a seat in women's college. So he was panicky at that time. So what I request you is, kindly verify the data printed on the receipt of certificates. If there is any problem, if there is any wrong entry, kindly come back to the chief verification officer immediately and report to him. He will correct and give it back after correction. This is very, very important. So the first stage is registration, where you have to report. The second stage is the verification, that is verification of the certificate. So these two stages are over. So what is your next duty? Candidates who have completed the certificates verification will be made to sit in a one hall called briefing hall. In this briefing hall, what we have done, we have prepared a DVD, that is CD, comprising the list of courses, list of colleges, etc. and also a detailed procedure containing how to exercise the options that will be displayed. By looking at this, by watching at this CD, and after completion of watching the CD, what you have to do is, you have to interact the officer present at the briefing hall to clarify your doubts. In the briefing CD, what you have to do is, you have to watch how the options have to be entered, how the URL has to be entered, and what URLs we have to use. Please remember, the web application of the MSET 2012 will operate in the Internet Explorer of 6.0 and above. Never use Google Chrome or Netscape Navigator or Opera or some other browsers. This is very, very important. కొంతమంది గూగుల్ క్రైమ్ ఓపెన్ చేసి సార్ డేటా షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోతుంది సార్ అంటారు. సో ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ది బ్రౌజర్. యూజ్ ఓన్లీ ద ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ బ్రౌజర్ 6.0 for option entry. This is very, very important. Now, in the briefing hall, you will be supplied with the list of colleges, their codes and courses offered therein. That's number one. Number two, a manual option form. What exactly is the manual option form? In the manual option form, we have printed a manual option form containing option number, college code and course code, only 3 columns. You may ask, what is the use of this option number? While exercising the options through the internet, before you go for what is known as the option entry on the screen, what you have to do is, you have to do some exercise. What exercise you have to do? We have given you the college course and course codes in the briefing hall. Take home, sit with your parents, teachers, friends who are conversant with this subject, and make out the list of colleges and course you wish to join. That is very, very important. Suppose if you want to join in, say, Osmania University ECE branch, in the manual option form you have to write for option number 1 OUCE ESE. So your rank may be somewhere, say some 5,000 or 6,000. Whether you may be having a doubt whether you will get seat or not. So what you do, you go for the next college you wish to join. Let us say JNTU Hyderabad. Option number 2, JNTH, the same ECE branch. So like this, you make out a list that the colleges and courses you wish to join and arrange them in the order of preference. Arranging the colleges and course you wish to join, it is what exactly is called as the order of the preference. You make this ready. On the average, based on the available colleges now, a candidate can exercise 3,380 options. There is no bar, there is no restriction for number of options. You can exercise any number of options you wish to join. That means what? What is meant by order of preference? While allotting the seats, if the vacancy is not available for your gender, for your local area, for your category, if the first option is not there, system will search for second option. If the second option is not there, third option. Like that it will go on search till the vacancy is found as per your priority. మీరు ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్లలో ఏ ఖాళీలు ఒకవేళ ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో మీరు ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్లో లేదు అంటే మీరు ఆప్షన్లు సరిగా ఇవ్వలేదని మాత్రమే అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. సో exercise the options very carefully and make a list out of what is known as a list of colleges and courses you wish to join in the manual option form and keep it ready, maybe 500 or 600. Take this manual option form and make it, rather enter the options on the screen. So how to enter the options on the screen? This is very, very important. First what you have to do is, you have to use the URL, click on the Internet Explorer, that's number 1, enter the URL http://apmset.nic.in